Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian, and today we are looking at network effects for digital media brands, right? So this is the piece of the puzzle. This is where your platform gets interesting. You are going to parlay the idea of first selling other people's offers, which is the traditional marketplace style directory community conventional offer structure. Then you are going to bolster that by having your own in-house offers as a digital media brand. We covered that last week. And now we are looking at how we can incorporate what are called network effects or build in the interplay between the various components of your community to really create this enthusiastic evangelical or ambassador style program where people get excited about interacting with your content, your community, each other's content, each other's community, and ultimately the other offers that are available across your platform. So said in its most simple form, now your audience in this next phase is going to be able to sell both your products as an affiliate or ambassador for you and each other's products as affiliates or ambassadors for each other.